Welcome to a just stretching yoga class. This is going to be perfect for the end of a workout or just before bed or when you've just got out of bed. So I'm sitting up on a cushion. You could be not sitting on a cushion if you feel like your spine is still nice and long. It's just a really nice way of supporting the spine from not hunching backwards and keeping that length in the spine. So let's get started straight away. We're going to bring the right leg out to the right side on about a 45-degree angle. Your left heel is in line with your pelvis. So inhale, turn your heart towards your right knee. And exhale, fold down and then back up. Inhale, lift up through the heart. So also warming up the spine. Exhale, fold down. Tuck the chin, come back up. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, fold it down. And come back up. Inhale, lift the heart. You could have props here under the hands if the floor is too far away from you. And then exhale, fold it down. If you have some more range, you can bring the hand to the foot or around the foot. I've got a little bit of restriction today, so inhale, hold it here, and exhale. 1, 2, 3, inhale, rise back up. And then exhale, square your shoulders to the front. Hands out in front of you, fingertips or up on cushions or blocks, whatever you have lying around. Inhale, lift up through the heart. And exhale, fold it down. 1, inhale, lift it up, stack the vertebrae one by one. And exhale, fold it down. Tuck your chin, stack the vertebrae one by one. Inhale. Exhale, fold it down. And then back up. Inhale, one big breath here. And exhale, fold it down. Hold it here, so inner right thigh stretch. Inhale. And exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Inhale, press back up. And exhale here, hands just floosh into the lap. So right hand to left hip. Inhale, left hand extends. And exhale, reach across towards the right toes. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, reach it across. For 2, inhale up. Exhale, reach it across. For 3, hold it here, inhale. Exhale, option to undo the right hand and reach for those right toes. Keep the chest square to the front. For 1. Soft face, soft jaw. 2. And 3, inhale, rise back up. Exhale, float the hands to the lap. Bend this right knee back behind you. If your knees can handle it, if they can't, just bring it out in front instead. So left sole of the foot connects to right knee. Get your cushion just under the left sitting bone. It doesn't have to be under both. So inhale, take a deep breath here. And exhale, take a twist to your right hand side. So left hand outside right knee, look over the right shoulder. Inhale, lift the heart, lift the crown. Exhale, rotate from your low rib cage. So bottom of the right rib cage is rotating towards the back for 1. 2, just make sure your right toes is pointing straight back behind you and not out to the right. And 3, inhale, turn the head to center. Exhale, one counter twist to the left hand side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, extend this left arm and reach it across towards the right hand side. Inhale, get longer with these left fingertips. And exhale, reach it across. For 1, low rib cage in. 2, can be leaning on a prop if the floor is too far away. And 3, inhale, rise back up. And then exhale, bring this right leg back around into a cross-legged position. Inhale, take a deep breath here. And exhale, forward fold. If this is too easy and you can't feel much in the glute, walk the hands over towards the left-hand side and reach your right arm longer. Third eye bows to the right foot. Inhale. And exhale. 1. 2. 3. Inhale, rise back up. And exhale, the left leg extends out into a 45-degree angle. Get your cushion under both sitting bones. Right sole of the foot to left inner thigh. Inhale, turn your chest towards your left knee. And exhale, fold it down. And then back up. Tuck your chin, vertebrae stack one by one. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, fold it down. And then back up. Inhale, heart lifts. Exhale it down. And then back up. Inhale, heart lifts. Exhale, fold and hold it here. For 1. 2. 3. Inhale, walk the hands back towards you. Rise up, chest to the front. And exhale here. Fingertips to the earth or a prop. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, bring it forward. Tuck the chin and rise back up, one vertebrae at a time. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, walk it forward. Chest and throat first, then tuck chin and rise back up. For 2, inhale up. Exhale, bring it down. And then back up. Inhale, heart lifts. Exhale, fold it down. Stay here. Inhale, lengthen the crown forward, lengthen the spine. Exhale, surrender your heart to Mother Earth. 2. 3. Inhale, walk the hands back towards you. And exhale here. Bring your left hand to your right hip. Inhale, right arm extends. Exhale, reach it across. For 1, inhale up. Exhale it across. 2. Inhale up. Exhale across for 3. Hold here, inhale. Exhale, option to bring your left hand to your left big toe and keep reaching it across. Chest still facing forward. Inhale. And exhale. One more breath. Inhale, get longer. And exhale. Inhale, rise up. And then exhale, we're going to bend this left knee back behind if that's available. Otherwise, bring it to the front, same as the first side. Get this cushion up under the right sitting bone only. Inhale, take a deep breath here. And exhale, take a twist, a spinal twist to your left hand side. So right hand goes outside of left knee. Inhale. Lengthen through the spine, the heart. Exhale, shoulders drop away from ears, but bottom left rib cage is rotating towards the back. One more breath, inhale, massaging your internal organs. And exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, one counter twist to the right hand side. Inhale, come back to center. Your right arm extends. And exhale, reach it across towards your left hand side. Inhale, get long with the right side. Exhale it across. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, bring it back up to center. Exhale, bring this left leg around to a cross-legged position. Make sure the left leg is in front of the right this time. So inhale, take a deep breath here. And exhale, forward fold. To intensify the stretch, walk the hands a little to the right hand side and extend this left arm longer. Here comes, this is Nim, he's come to explore. Inhale and exhale. 1, the Dalmatian had to go to hospital. She got sick, but she's better now. I'm picking her up later. Inhale and exhale. So the cat's got full reign of the house, don't you? 2. And 3. So inhale, come back to center. And exhale, just make your way over to sitting on your heels. Again, like if it's too painful for you to sit on your heels, just stay up on the knees or bring props under the sitting bones. We're just gonna bring, so sitting up onto the heels or whatever you're sitting on, and then inhale, bring your left hand back behind you, and then exhale, reach this right arm and reach the hips. For 1, just opening up. 2. And 3, sitting back down, right hand comes back down beside you and then behind you. Inhale, left arm reaches and hips lift. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, bring it back down. And exhale here. If you are craving more stretches, I've got lots of bedtime yoga or gentle yoga classes. If you just check out the gentle yoga playlist. I hope you liked the class. I hope I see you next time. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Namaste.